Hi everybody, it's me Trudy. I just wanted to come on here really quick. My voice is kind of messed up. I don't know what's going on, but it's a little horsey, or is that horse? Horse? Anyways, but I didn't, for those of you who are waiting for the series for the Betty, it's Better Home and Garden, not Betty Crocker. Better Home and Garden cookbook that I'm doing. I just wanted to come on here and let you know that I am working on it. But I have been really busy. It's Halloween weekend. I had a lot of things going going on. I had a birthday party. And so I just haven't been able to do a video, like a long video of what I've been doing. I've been working on some tags here and there. I do plan on doing a video here this week for, to get some of the ephemera in there. And then I will probably do a flip through. I'm hoping to do a flip through this coming weekend. All right. I hope you guys are doing good. And I will talk to you guys later. Actually, I'm going to flip the camera around so you guys can see what's on my desk. And I'm going to show you what I've done so far. Okay? Talk to you later. I'll see you in a minute. Yeah. See you on the table. Okay. Bye. All right. First of all, my voice is like in and out. I've been doing my groups and I'm like losing my voice. And so I'm just going to try to make this really short and sweet. And just kind of give you guys a little rundown of what I've done. So I went camping, and when I was camping I did a masterboard, and so I did some tags. I actually did this, a little bit of this. Again, sorry for the dog's pitter patter. I did do some sewing, but I'm not done. It's taken me a little bit longer with Halloween and all of that stuff, and then I have some things going on at work that kind of put me behind. But I still have to glue this. I did sew this. This is that antique, and this is antique. It's over 100 years old. It was a little hanky, and yeah, so I sewed it, and then I just have to glue them both on each side. And I like that it lays over a little bit. I like that. It looks pretty cool. And so I'm going to leave that like that, but I'm going to leave all this like that too. So then I have these tags that I did. So these are from a masterboard. These are some tags. I'm just putting some, I have some old magazines, and I'm putting some old coupons on the back of scrapbook paper. And then I did this one too. But I just wanted to pop on here and let you know what's going on. This way you guys know. I did sew some rickrack. I'm going to put some more. I'm going to do some more on here. It's just been one of those weeks. A lot of stuff going on. So I just want to make sure that you guys know what's going on, because I'm not going to fall off the wagon or fall off the, I don't know, whatever, the radar with this one. I'm working on it. I want it done in a couple of weeks, so that's what I'm going to be doing. Alright, I just wanted to pop on and just let you guys know. Talk to you guys later. Bye.